Welcome back to Chappy Uncut. Today we're going to do our first Chappie Checks Analytics, checking week 1 and week 2 of a brand new channel to see what's happened, how things are going, just to give us an idea and to show you, well, I guess what to expect on a brand new channel and how yours might actually go. Watch the video, compare it to the stats that you have now and see how things go. If you've been here before, welcome back. If you haven't been to the channel before, well, subscribe, like the video, hit the bell, and in the comments type, "I'm sorry," and I'll forgive you. Let's take a look at this. Let's see. I have put it in for the last 2 weeks. We're gonna go with content to begin with, and up it comes. So in that 2 weeks, I did manage to do 14 videos, I think. What do we do? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 videos. 14 videos in 2 weeks, 14-day span, 15-day span, whatever. So this is where we're at right now. You can see the graph where I put up my first video and things ran, and nothing's gone huge, really at all. Like really, from June 30th to July 2nd, I got 1 view. 4 views by the 3rd. So things started to pick up. Things have ran up and down, obviously, like most channels will. You'll see here, we'll run down on this. Taking a look, altogether 63 views, watch time hours 1.4, 2 subscribers. I have 3 at the moment. I'm into week 3. Average view duration, impressions is 1490, and the click-through rate is 3%, which is not great, but it's a start. So the whole reason for this video is to show you guys what can happen and what kind of analytics you're gonna see. Honestly, it's a big push to show you that really the analytics don't matter right now, the views don't matter right now, the subscribers don't matter right now. None of it really matters. It's getting the content out there and pushing yourself and making things happen. Now, I have changed up. I'm going to be uploading 3 times a week, not daily. So this will be a little bit different on the next one. And then after week 3, week 4 will be only the 3 videos. So we'll see what kind of difference that makes, if anything. But I don't think myself that it's going to make a big difference to the analytics and how things move. It's just going to make a really big difference on how much I have to do and take care of and pull off and get uploaded. So we're going to move from content and we'll take a look at running time, device time, date, and honestly, there's not a whole lot of other stuff. I don't think I'm going to take a look at a whole bunch else. We're going to take a look at the traffic sources. Just that'll give you an idea on that as well. So traffic sources is where the view came from. So on here you've got browse features, 25 views, YouTube search. So 22 views came from people looking something up. They put in a query, it brought up my video, whatever it was that they were looking for. YouTube decided one of my videos was pertinent to that, and they showed it to them. 6 from channel pages, 6 from notifications, director unknown 2, suggested videos only 1, and end screens was 1 as well. Now, notifications direct and end screen, there is no impression because it's not showing them, it's not pushing them. Your browse features, YouTube search, and your channel pages is an impression where it will put a bunch of videos in front of them and they pick which one they want, and they picked yours, so you get an impression out of that. Not a decent amount of impressions, really. Click-through rate, again, though, at 3% isn't massive. So, gives you an idea, shows you what's happening. And one other thing I wanted to take a look at with you guys was geography, just to see what's happening. Geography total, add metrics to table. It actually, in the first 2 weeks, it doesn't have enough information to bring up anything for geography. So at this time, really, your content and your traffic sources are going to give you the most out of it. One other thing you could do, I am in advanced mode so that I could knock it down to custom for you. I'll give you a quick look at the main screen. This is what we're looking at. I'm now at 96. As you can see, all the uploads for weekly. Then I switched, I missed 2 days here. I uploaded 3 days in a row there. There's going to be a skip there. That's going to be the Sunday. And then Monday, today's video up. And then 3 weeks after that. So that's what you'll be looking at. And yeah, this is where I'm at after 2 weeks. This is where I'm at after about 3. About almost 3. Take it and take a look at your channels. Pop up your analytics. Use this video to take a look and see what you got going on. If you're 2 weeks in, 3 weeks in, 2 months in, it'll give you an idea. And if you haven't started a channel and you're thinking about starting a channel, this is another thing that'll show you that you don't have to worry about this stuff right away. The main key is just get the content made, get it put up, okay, and start building something for YouTube, the algorithm and everything to look at to start pushing your videos. Honestly, in the first 3 months, I wouldn't even worry about any of this. But I'm going to keep putting these up weekly, every Monday, so that you can take a look and see what I've got going on. You can compare it to yours if you want, because I know a lot of you out there are going to be checking analytics every day. I might be guilty a little bit of that myself. It happens. That's it. Have a good one, guys. Take it easy. You got this.